Hi everyone, this is Miss Nardone. Good morning. Okay, so I wanted to show you something. I know we're nearing the end. I've done this before, but I want to show you something real quick because I have a lot of parents, grandparents, students ask me, am I missing work? Okay, so if you think you might be missing work, I'm going to show you where to go to check it all out. You will be able to see every subject, every special, and here we go. So I'm going to use my daughter's account today for this demonstration. Okay, so let me go to Google. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is log into my account. Now I'm logged in as me, so I'm going to go to Miss Annalise. We're going to change this up right here. We're going to click on Annalise. Okay, and then I'm going to go to her classroom. Now don't mind it. She's been doing gym. We just have not marked it done. Okay, so if I go up here to these three lines, okay, now look, let me show you again. These three lines right here, click on them and go to do. And once you click on that, you're going to see all the stuff that you have not done. Now, mind you, she's been keeping up with gym. We just haven't marked those done. Okay, so now I'm going to look. Due today, she has stuff for her teacher that's due, and she hasn't done my robotics assignment yet. Okay, so this is where you're going to go to see what you have done and what you have not done. So let me show you one more time. Once you're at your Google Classroom, go here to these three lines. Go right here to do. Click on it. And it will show you any work that you have not done. Or maybe you did it and you forgot to mark it done. So let me go into this one. Maybe you forgot to turn it in. Maybe you forgot to mark it done. Either way, that's the way you're going to go in and mark your work done or check what you have not done. Guys, we're almost there. This is so exciting. Make sure you're doing your work. We are having so much fun. We will see you soon. Stay well, be safe.